guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply more than one video animation on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to use this like combo animation and you want to add that to your videos, and you just want to add like one more video animation. You can add in like an in and out animation, but what if you want to add in like a combo animation? Right click, create compound clip, and then just simply select another animation you want to add, like this cube one or something else. As you can see, it will add more than one animation to the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!